Hello everyone, my name is Rizwan and today we are going to analyze the fifth project of the data analytics. So the name of the project is Imdb Movie Analysis, and this is the data sheet that we get from the Trainity portal. What we'll try to do here is first we'll try to clean the data from the empty cells and the extra spaces that which are there. So here, as you can see, first of all, what we'll do is we'll try to select all the data here, and then we'll go to the option which is find and replace. So in the find and replace section, what we'll do is we'll go to the option go to, and here the blanks. So we'll go to the what this will do is this will select all the blanks that are in this data sheet. So after selecting the blanks, we'll right click and then go to the delete, and then delete entire rows. So we'll get rid of all the rows uh, that have empty cells. So secondly, what we'll do is, okay, here in this movie section, what we will do is we'll use the option called trim. So we'll trim the extra spaces. So first, we can use it anywhere, like so. Here is a okay. So what's the function of the what is the trim formula is equal to trim trim, and then we'll go to here. Where was it? Actor. Okay, here it is. Okay, so we have got rid of the all the extra spaces. So here it is. So we'll move on to the. So this is how our clean data will look like. So we'll move on to the project one, task one. So in the task one, we have to show the relationship between the genre and the IMDb. How we are going to achieve that, and also what we have to do is we have to calculate the movie count, and also we have to for the genres and mean of the IMDb for each and every genre. Median, max and minimum, which is the range, and variance and standard deviation. So how we are going to achieve this? We have to show the relationship between genre and IMDb. So remember two columns here, which is genre and IMDb. So what we'll do, we'll try to transport here the genre column and the IMDb column. So this, I'll delete this. Yeah. Okay. So here is the genre column. So how in this genre column there is a problem. All the genres, different genres are incorporated into the single cell. So how are we going to get them? How separated? So first, there's simple. This is a simple steps how we are going to achieve this. So this is like first we'll select the whole column, and then what we will do is we will go to here. We'll go to data, and then okay, we'll use this option text columns. So we'll press on this. So if you look at the genres, they are separated by this symbol. So we'll do next here. So in this other section, what we'll try to do is we'll fill this do the we'll do this we will fill this with the symbol that has been that separates the different genres. Okay. So as we can see, the different columns, the different genres have been separated into the different columns. So I can do the next, but when you do the next, you will see the see the genres have been genres have been separated into the cells of different columns. So if you do if I click next, so next, so it will look like this. Finish. So part of array cannot be changed. Okay, I will try to do this here. Copy genre and text columns. Next, next, finish. Okay, so we every genre has been separated into on their respective columns and different cells. So this is the so next what we are going to do is we are going to copy and paste it in the single column and then delete the duplicates. For example, we can to make it easy, we can remove the duplicates for each and every column to make the cut paste easy. So in this column, and then we'll do the same in this column and this column and in this column, and every column will do the same. We'll remove all the duplicates, and then what we'll try to do is we'll try to incorporate all the genres in the same here in this in the same single column. So what we'll get is we'll get this. Okay, genres will get this one, this here. So total number of genres will be 22. After that, what we'll try to do is we'll select this column and transpose it. I will show you how it will be done. uh, so copy, I'll show it in a different sheet. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so here is how we will do this. So it's equal to transpose. So this is what we'll do here. So we have transposed the genres column in each and every genre. Next thing what we'll do is we'll try to do is we'll try to get the respective IMDb of each and every genre. Okay, so how we are going to do this, like this. So action for action, these are the respective IMDb score of each and every genre. How we will do this? We'll use a special formula. This is the formula. Okay, I will show it in a different section. In this section, wait a second. But guys, also I will have to copy the original genres section here. Why I will do that, I will explain in a little while. So this is the original one. Paste. Okay, now here is a tricky part. So what we have to do here is we have to calculate, we have to bring all the imdb scores that are related to the action genre. So how we will do that is we'll first, if you know the filter function has for example I will show you filter. So what we have to do is we have to first select the array from which we have to filter, and then we have to do the we have to fill the condition. So that's what we'll try to do here. First of all, we'll use a function called search function. So we'll use the search function. What we are going to search, we are going to search for action in this genre. So we are going to search for action. Okay, so we are going to search for action in this array. Within this, so find text d1, which is action, and within text this genre. All right, so we'll select this whole array. Okay, next function what we are going to include here is number. So the name of the function is number. So is number. What is number actually does is, if it searches this function, it's if action is present in this text within this column, so it will show true. So is number is, if the condition is met, then the what the is number will do, it will show true. So after is number, we will do the filter. What we have to filter, remember guys, we have to filter imdb score. We have to filter imdb score for action. So this is how we'll try to, I will explain it later, I will explain the whole function later. So first of all, okay, so guys, this is our function, and this is a very critical function. So what we're trying to do here is, so this is the, we try to find the imdb score in this imdb column, and we will give the condition for action. So for action, all the imdb score related to the action genre will be filtered here. So see the magic now. Okay, so this is the imdb score related to the whole to the action genre. Okay, next what we'll try to do is, we don't have to calculate it for each and every genre. Here it is, we log this these. We log the cell references. So guys, if you see here, I logged all the cell references except for one, for which I have to find, except for the cell reference for which I have to find the imdb score. For example, d1 is for action, and e1 is for so okay. So d1 is for action. So when I move this in the forward direction, so here in place of d1 there will be e1. So similarly, F1, G1, and the IMDb score for all the respective genres will be there. So let's test this one. Okay, yes, so it worked. I'll show you here. So look, so E1 for this, F1 for this, G1 for this. So if you look at the, nothing changes except for one criteria, because the pool of data that we have to pull our data from will remain same, will always remain same. So because the data pool is going to be these two. For each and every genre, we have to pull the IMDb score from these, from the IMDb score column and from genre column. So next, what we'll try to do is we'll try to calculate the, okay, yeah, sorry. We'll try to calculate the average. So me or mean. So wait a second, I'll have to, I'll insert a column, extra column to the left. Yes. So this is more like it. Mean is going to be, so this is the average. Average for average IMDb for action. So similarly, we'll move it towards the same forward direction. Yeah. Okay. I think this is well, this will work. So to what direction we have to move? We'll see it here. To Z direction. Okay. So we got the mean for mean. Now we have to calculate mean and we have to calculate maximum. Maximum of the, which is the range, we have to calculate the maximum and minimum. So which will be the range of the IMDb score. Mm, we can copy and paste the cell address here. So here is the cell address. We will copy it and then max. Paste it. So the maximum is 9 here up to this point. So yeah, so minimum. We have the cell previous cell address. Okay. So that's how we'll use the all the three, and we'll use the standard deviation and variance in the same way. So after that, okay, once you're done with calculating all the values, so this is how movie count, we can include movie count also by using the count function. So you can calculate the number of the IMDb scores in a particular genre, which will be equal to the movie count. So this is how you will do this. So after that, you can select this whole up to here, and then use a transpose section. You can use a transpose formula or transfer function, and your whole data will be transposed here, and then you can use the column. First, you cannot use the column because it will be in the formula. It will be in the formula form. So first you will copy the formula, and then you will paste it as a value in the same cell. So that's how it will get pasted. Yeah. So and then what you have to do after that, you have to select the genre column, and you have to select the mean IMDb score, and insert it, and go to the insert and insert a chart here. So this is how you use this. So this is the end of the first task. This is the second task. Similarly, we will in this task, what we have to do, we have to show the relationship between IMDb versus the duration. So two columns that we have to show the relationship between, we'll simply copy and paste them here, and then we'll use the mean standard deviation we'll calculate the mean standard deviation and median by using the simple formula for a simple average, simple standard deviation, and simple median. How we will get this data? We'll get this using go we'll da- we'll go to the insert and then chart, and there here it is XY scatter. So there is a scatter plot, and we'll use this. So our data will be projected here. So in the third task, so we have to show the relationship between language and IMDb score. Again, what we'll do is we'll simply copy and paste the language data, and we'll language and IMDb score. So after we have pasted it here in the new sheet, what we'll do, we'll select it and use it as a pivot, and use, we'll go to the pivot table here, and click on it, and then we'll see like this average of IMDb score. But okay, we have to if it shows here sum of IMDb score, we have to change it, like here we'll click on this here, value field settings, and then we'll show it here, average. Okay, we'll click on average, and then it will show the average of IMDb score. If we have to show the count, then it will show the count of number of IMDb, a number of movies that a particular language has been spoken in. Okay, so the top 10 most common languages are here. So we can do it another way also. We can also edit IMDb score. Okay, average of IMDb score, but we don't want okay, sum of IMDb score. We don't want sum of IMDb score. What we want is count. So count here, and also what we'll do is we will what we'll do here is we'll sort it in the descending form. So here is the data, here is sort, here is descending. Okay, so the English is the most spoken language. I think there is 3 5 count. Okay, so there is a sum of and there is count. So there is a English is the most spoken. I think there I did some sum of, I will change it, average. So after as we can see, these are the top 10 spoken languages in the movie. So English is at number one, French at second, Spanish at third, and so on and so forth. So what we try to do here in the next step, we'll try to show the relationship between language and IMDb score. We can simply show it by selecting the language column and the IMDb average IMDb score column. And then after selecting these the both, we can use the insert. We can go to the insert and chart, insert a chart here. So okay, this is how it will look like. So moving on to the fourth task, we have to show the relationship between directors and top directors and IMDb. Similarly, what we'll try to do is we'll try to copy and paste the director name and IMDb score column here, and then we'll do it. We'll change it into the pivot table here by using the insert column and pivot table. So we will get this. After doing this, we'll get this interface. Okay, so we'll do the analysis for the top 10 directors, and also here is one function. How we will get this is we will use the we'll use the percentile rank function. So let me show this to you. I don't have the percentile rank here function in this because I am using the WPS system, but in Excel it is there. So let me show you. I have an older version of Excel. That's what I am using. What we'll do is we'll copy the IMDb score column. Okay, we copied it and then paste it in the Excel. So I'm going to show it to you because I will get all the data here. This is the average IMDb score. I'll copy and then I'll paste it here. Okay, here is the rank is equal to percentile. So we'll use the percentile exe excluding. All right. So this is the array that will fill in this function, and this is what we will do it for. Okay, sorry. And this is what we will do it for. These are the these number will be compared to the IMDb score, and accordingly adjusted, and accordingly it will be assigned percentile rank. So this, you see, okay, there's something wrong. What I have to do is I'll lock it here first. Okay, now I can do this. Okay, now there's here. Uh, this is the same thing I will get here. After that, so if you are getting this in the pointers, you can change the cell value. You can change the cell value by using this option, format cells, and go to percentile and go to percentage, and your and the values will be shown in percentage. And we can draw the graph on the chart accordingly for the top 10 directors and IMDb. So this is it for this project. Hope you like it. So enjoy. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also do brainstorm the ideas in the comment section.